Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MB Unfiltered. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we are going to tell you about the interview transcript of NIBM Pune. As a lot of students are going through the interviews, so I made one PPT for you guys so that it will be very easy for you to go through the transcripts. This is the first transcript. The student had interview on May 3rd, 2025. Slot was 9 a.m. OC topic was, is bank branches still relevant in India? And the question that we asked to that girl was, they asked her regarding Ahilya Bai Holkar, that she was from Indore, the Ukraine Russia war, what kind of bank account that she had, and how much interest the person gets for saving as well as current account, recent news about the bank which is in trouble, the subject that she learnt during her BCA, then Python as well as C++ because of the background that the person have, and then any project that she had done in her graduation and extracurricular activities. Coming to the next transcript, Ajit was having BBA background, 977 profile, CAT 96, CMAT 96. Slot was 3rd May 2025, 9 a.m. OC topic was educational apps will not provide the benefits of academics to students. Here, these are the things that we asked to the person. Introduce yourself. NBFC versus banks. Why the need of so many types of banks? Technical versus fundamental analysis, which is more important for investing. Avishkar competition. Functions of ATM. And recent bank in news. Uh, Third, see guys, these are the OC topics that we asked to the students in this GDPI. First topic is role of SSG in women empowerment. Whenever you are going for extempore kind of thing, guys, you should have a strong critical thinking, decision making. Whatever topic that will come to you, maybe abstract, maybe verbose topic or general topic, make a strong summary of the topic. Use frameworks, star framework, then you can use XYZ framework, as well as you can look for SWOT analysis. So second topic is life but an empty dream, problems of a Bangalore city, India's AI strategy, connect everywhere, lost within, digital India, bridging or widening the rural urban divide, illusion of choice in today's consumerist world, climate change, India's preparedness. Then nine topic is social media activism, real impact of performative noise and gig economy, empowerment of exploitation. So this were the 10 topics that were asked to the students during the OC. Post that, this is the interview of one of our subscriber. Extempore topic was capital account convertibility. He was not familiar with the topic, so they changed the topic to impact of fiscal deficit in economy. Questions are CRR, SLR, repo rate, what is actuary, risk management in banking, what is standard deviation. If you are a technology guy or if you know about stats, then you will be definitely answer this question and its correlation with the variance. If somebody comes up for a loan, which ratios you will consider before going the loan, what is money market, types of financial market. Since I told him that I am engaged in stock analysis, he asked me about the total profit of SDFC Bank, SBI Bank, three sectors of India, tertiary. This is the next transcript of one of our student. Topic was tech layoffs. The question that we asked to that student was, tell me about yourself. Where and what position you see yourself after 2 years at NIBM pass out, difference between regression and correlation, Trump tariff discussion, your favorite book, connection between education, background, finance. So, guys, if you see the pattern that is happening in IBM interviews, they're asking one stats question, they're asking about behavioral questions, they're asking about your career aspiration, maybe 2 to 5 years down the line, and current happenings. Whatever that is present there in the industry, just go through YouTube, just go through Mint channel, The Hindu, and read about the news. Post that, this is the next transcript. OC topic was India's culture into education system. You can take out the screenshot of it and आप इसके through जा सकते हो. What is NPA? Difference between commercial and investment bank. If your friend wants a loan for his company from the bank that you are branch manager and his balance does not suffice, how would you deal with it? Your boss wants a loan to be sanctioned, knowing that borrower will default an amount eligible for you to sanction up to 5 lakh, and your boss purposely wants to sanction it, and if you do not, will face the wrath of your boss. What will you do? Leadership qualities as a bank manager, diversification of funds. and overall a chill panel questions that were not a technical, but this is the interview that is happening with the. Through this interview, what you can realize, guys, somewhat technical question related to banking and finance and behavioral questions that were asked to the interviewer. Next, scenario is NIBM Pune, 3rd May 2025, 9 to 1 p.m. slot. Profile was engineering background. OC topic was climate change and impact. And the questions that were asked to the students is why COP? Just read about COP on Google. Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement. Why banking? Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a practice of protecting systems network from cyber attacks. What is DPDP? Blockchain क्या होता है कि blockchain is a structure of various transaction records on block of a network. So आप blockchain use कर सकते हो. You might have seen blockchain in transactions. CDFC is cryptocurrency, how banks operate, types of payment that banks do on their frame, SLR, CR, MSF, and Gremium in green bonds. Guys, just look at it and आप screenshot लेके इन questions के आंसर निकालो, खुद निकालो, so that you will have a better clarity. Post that, uh, this is the interview of one of our panel, the student. So there were two members. One of them was dean and banker. The question that were asked to the person related to fiscal and monetary policy. Then uh, current affairs, that person forgot about it. They asked regarding the interest, if they like mathematics or not, and that person was grilled lot of question regarding statistics and differential calculus, because as a person who is getting into an IBM, you should have a strong clarity regarding statistics. You should know about data, fact, figure, numbers. Then the question that we asked to that person related to ellipse, which was kind of a bummer for that person, and basic question regarding math background, marathon, whatever he wrote in your CV. So you should know each and everything regarding your CV. Then economics Hano student. This was the transcript of one of our student today itself. Slot was morning. OC topic was cashless economy. And the question that we asked to the students are, tell me about yourself, about siblings, MPC, inflation rate, functions of RBI, repo rate, OMO, cost question that we asked to that person regarding how it is increasing and decreasing, RBI governor, previous RBI governor Shaktikanta Das, what's his position in RBI, GDP of India almost 6.4%, rank of India in terms of GDP, fiscal deficit, current account deficit. If we remove top Asian economies, what will be the contribution of Asian economy to the world? Panel data and cross sectional data, tools used for data analysis, standard deviation, hobbies, and do any questions for us. So, guys, if you look at here, lot of things that were being asked to the students, you need to have a strong clarity that what is being asked during the interviews. If I look at the next interview, yes, CMAT 98.12 percentile, BTech computer science background, 2 years of gap. So question that we asked to that person, his name is Sarvesh. He was asked regarding his background, why MBA, why NIBM, role of NIB in banking sector, monetary policy, difference between CR and SLR, role of RBI in Indian banking system, NPA, how they are concerned for banks, recent trends in Indian banking sector, implications of digital banking. If you are from engineering or commerce background, how it will help you in banking, and graduation subjects, whatever subject that you had. So, guys, this is what you need to prepare it out during your interviews, and this will be very handy for you in terms of preparation. If you have any question, do let me know